So we're just going to create a little video here that shows us how to make a Valentine's card box. So this is like our little mailbox. It's going to be our Valentine's box. And obviously I'm using some Kleenex boxes here, the sort of longer size and the petite size. And I don't want to leave them as they are because they're not very Valentine's-y. So instead I'm going to use a large piece of paper here that I can wrap them in, and I'm going to decorate that paper with some Valentine's hearts and symbols. So let's lay our paper out. I've got a tracer here. I'm going to start decorating. So I'm just tracing lots of hearts on here. And I might just freehand some small little hearts as well. But I could write all sorts of things. I could put some messages on here as well. But definitely this is going to need some coloring now. So I'm going to go with some good Valentine's colors like reds, pinks, purples. All right, there, I've got all my hearts colored in. Now I could write some words like Happy Valentine's. So Happy Valentine's. I could write love, friends, or words like be mine, or how about sweetie, maybe some more Happy Valentine's over here. Want to leave a little bit of space because I'm going to need to put my name in here somewhere as well. Of course, if you have a stamp as well, you could also use a stamp. And if you have stickers, you could put stickers on there. But what we're trying to do in the end is we're trying to create some wrapping paper so we can now wrap our Kleenex box in it. So, first job I want to do, I'm going to flip this upside down, and I'm going to get a glue stick and cover the entire paper with glue. So the reason I'm putting the glue on the back is because obviously the decorated side needs to show. So once I have it all covered in glue, I'm going to take my Kleenex box, turn it upside down so I have a solid end on the back. Right smack dab in the middle. I'm going to lift this one up to fold there. This one up to fold over this side. And then we do the corners like this. We fold it in like a triangle. And down like a triangle, put it there, and there. And I can always use a little bit more glue or tape, just to make sure these parts get glued in really well. And add some extra glue. Push that up. I'll show it to you from the top down. So there we have it here. And I'm going to fold these corners in, and I'm going to fold these corners in. I'll get some extra glue on here. And there we go. Now I've got my box covered in my decorated paper. And I know there was an opening because it was a Kleenex box. I'm going to take my scissors and just poke right in the middle and just sort of reopen that part of the box. Just try and trim that up, make it a little neater. And there we go. Now I've got a spot for my Valentine cards to be put in. What I am missing, of course, is my name on it. So I better put my name on it so everyone knows to put Valentine cards to me into Mr. C's Valentine's box. And there we go. I've now got a Valentine's box. I could add some more stickers to it or a little bit more decoration, but really I want to decorate it before I get it onto the box. And there we go. Here's my Valentine's letterbox.